Day 7 of Just Debit and Make It Work. It's me again, Tom, and I stay in the same place, same background, kind of boring, sorry, same way of record video. So today, I think tomorrow I will, or the next day, I will present you the progress of my side project to upload to App Store and Play Store. But today I want to say more about this because I start getting more challenged with the marketing and making sales. Actually, it's not really about develop the app anymore, and I will explain why. But before jumping into that, let's recap my day a little bit. Such a busy day. I'm trying to prepare a trip for my family, for my wife and my 16 months kid. So it's the first time she able to see the sea and playing on the beach. So I prepared it very careful until this morning, right before my trip. The hotel that we booked saying that we cannot stay anymore, so I need to look for another one and trying to claim back the money that I put on that booking. So kind of stressful because it's a big amount of money. It's like, let's say it's just 1/3 of my salary. So yeah, but anyway, in the end I made it. Such a busy day, couldn't work much on my project about the coding part. But here it goes about day 7. I'm struggling with how to marketing my application on App Store or Play Store. So basically I start asking AI. I use Gemini, asking a lot of questions. It's Gemini on Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome, you will see Gemini on the right side. It's a feature, and now the feature is more visible for user to use. And here's the list of tons of questions that I discussed with AI, and some of them is related to how I'm going to marketing my application. So I asked a bunch of stuff, and a lot of stuff. Like I tell them, I give them a clear context. Like I have a application, I wanna targeting this market, that market. The application is solving this, solving that, and in the end, they suggest me a lot of things. But let me share you about my difficulty after a discussion. Of course, there is a tip here. If you're stuck and you have no idea where to start with something new like marketing, like sales, you can actually learn a lot by asking AI. Just give them the context, what you want, what you aim for, and ask them, so they will answer. And if you don't understand some part of their question, you can continue to drop the question to learn more and getting deeper into the topic. And also through AI, you can correct your understanding. For example, when I explained them about my application, I told AI that okay, I don't think that development is a challenge here. I think that sales marketing is actually a challenge nowadays. And from my understanding, marketing is this, that, and sales is this, that, and my plan is ABC. And then AI actually read that plan, and also based on the context that I gave them, they actually suggest me a better strategy on doing marketing and sales for my application on Play Store and App Store. In the end, I pick doing videos so that I can reach a bigger audience. Here I'm trying to tell you my real experience and my real progress, as this series of video is 100 days of making app from scratch. So basically, in the end of the day, I will share you what I go through on that day and my progress on my project. And today is a good day to share you about my struggling with marketing things. And in the end, I pick up TikTok, I pick up Instagram, I pick up YouTube Short to making those videos, and hopefully that I can reach more people to share about the application, about my journey that I'm working on. And the funny part is that I learned from AI is because my current location is in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh City. So it's very hard to spread my content to the right audience in the different country. But Instagram allow it kind of easy, and like YouTube Short is YouTube Short is like mixing between two. So in the end, I learned that each platform had their own goodness. So for example, TikTok is great, it's able to reach large audience, it's a great platform, great studio, the support tool and stuff to making videos, and etc, right? So what I mean is I'm struggling with marketing and sales, and in the end I pick this, that, and also from that I learned that each platform, each tool serving its own purpose. So during our journey, we need to pick the right way of work for each platform. So yes, that's how I using AI to start asking about a domain that I'm not an expert, to get keywords, to get idea where to start. Of course, I also have a lot of friends working on marketing and sales, so I also confirm that with them. It's just like I keep Q&A with AI, clarify my understanding on sales marketing with that context, with that goal, and in the end, when I have the whole picture, I use the mind map to draw it back, and then I confirm my understanding with some of my friends who is expert on the field. And they're also very exciting when seeing a developer who spend more of his time on coding, but now also curious about sales and marketing. And we had a lot of great discussion. So I think that I also strongly recommend you doing the same way if you are a solo developer or whatever that you currently working on. I think it's great, and that's the progress I'm doing right now for day 7, focusing in sales and marketing, learning and documenting, and pick up the right tool, right approach on each tool, and trying to spend as much of my time in the day besides taking care of my family, besides taking care for the trip that happen in the near future. I also have to dedicate it to make progress on my project as well, step by step. And this video is about it. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow.